Good morning everyone. I woke up early today. Di ako makatulog kagabi. Like, I just can't sleep. So, I woke up early para makapag-vlog and para makapag-breakfast, of course. Kasi I have to eat ahead of time. Don't mind my hair right now kasi I just woke up. Yung voice ko kinda raspy po. Wearing warmers kasi last night was really cold. Tagaytay weather is so freaking cold. So if you're planning to go to Tagaytay, buy some jacket, wear some jacket, some really thick ones. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So it's looking sunny outside. So we don't have to worry about getting cold, I guess. At least not so much. Okay guys, so we have just arrived at the dentist. Ang ingay. So, anong oras na? So, umalis kami doon mga 10, 9, yeah, mga 9 o'clock sa bahay. And then, after an hour of commute, nandito na kami. Too early, actually. Kasi 11 pa yung appointment and we're already here by 10 exactly. So, I don't know, maybe we'll just wait a bit tapos we'll come in na. So, yeah, bye-bye. It's the next day. After some unforgivable meal, yogurt. Feel like pwede naman to kasi it's cold. Like, let's eat.
Magtatampo yung dalawang walang picture. Ayun yung mabili.
Good morning, you guys. Yeah. Just woke up and naantok pa. Let's get ready. Merry Christmas. Hey guys, so today is day. I lost count. I apologize for making super short videos the past few days because I got busy. Noong December 24,
President Business stole the
I was so
Kraggle, the
busy
most
cooking.
powerful object in the
I
universe.
cooked,
Blah, blah,
then
blah.
nagsimba
Proper
kami,
name, place
and
name,
then
backstory
after
stuff.
simba, nagluto ulit for like 3 hours. And then after that, we ate. And then the next day is Christmas Day, and I wasn't able to film anything at all. So today, I have Christmas party with my cousins. Tapos, and I have here my gifts for them. I have here a whole bunch of gifts. And then early this morning, I also cooked pasta. Nadadalhin ko dun. And then, I guess, I'll see you later. Kapag andun na ako, I'll be vlogging a bit. Pero super short lang, I guess. Kasi I believe hindi na ako magkakaroon ng time to even vlog about everything. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Pangit ng buhok ko. So yeah, I'll just finish getting ready and then aalis na ako. Bye-bye.
Ano palalagay natin? Isa pa kanya request.
Ayaw, yun pala iniwan din yung kinutubig.
Ganun may walis. Oo, sa black yung dikit. Sana yung mic? Anong pa-diagonal?
Kahit anong ano.
Basta
Ay,
diagonal?
patingin daw ng diagonal nyo.
Ano sa curfew eh? Nakayakanta mo na kayo. Kaya? Yan. Dito ka dito. Baka si Alden yung paano na.
As the old year fades, we say
2, 3.
goodbye.
Ay, ang tagal.
Broken hearts, we reach for the sky. Grateful for the lessons, the laughter, the tears. Ready for new dreams, no more fears. A new light shines.
Nakuha ko yung gusto ko.
Oh, naka-video pa rin to ha.
Past is behind. Future's bright.
Bakit sa kay Papa? Dali lang nga. Ay,
Brand new sight. New year, new light. Shine so bright. Let go of past. Embrace the
Ay, baka